Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video, I will show you to create this type of testimonials in Elementor WordPress website. So this is basically happy add-ons. So that is the powerful and best Elementor add-ons that you can easily use and create testimonials like this. So first of all, we can go and make sure that you have installed Elementor plugin. After that, you can go and search for a plugin happy add-ons. You can activate this plugin and you can use this widget free of cost. So now let's go back to pages, and now here let me go and click on edit with Elementor. Now Elementor page builder is loading. After that, we can add new containers. Let me scroll down, and here I want to add container. So after that, here you can search for widget, this one, review. So you can use this widget in free happy add-ons, and after that you can easily customize. So after that, here you can see rating style, number as well as star ratings, and here you can add your own review text. After that, here you can change the position, and here you can add reviewer details. You can add the image. After that, you can select image position. Then here you can add reviewer name, job title, and you can use alignment features. After that, you can select the heading tags, then go to style tab. Here you can increase the size of star ratings. You can change the color of star ratings as well as you can add the background color, and here you can use the different typography options for the reviewer. Then you can also customize the image. So after that, you can copy it and you can use that. So after that, you can choose equal height feature. You can go to advanced tab, and after that, here you can see this one is equal height feature. So let me show you how it works. For example, if I add here text, this one, and then in the second one, this one, and third and last one, this one. So now here you can see their height is not equal. Now you can use happy add-ons equal height feature. So let me go to their parent container and then scroll down. This one, equal height, enable it and then review. Now here you can see all of them having equal height. Then after that, you can click on publish button and you can see the final result. In this way, you can easily create a testimonial section in your WordPress website.